Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm not sure how many of you guys are already making the transition. I know the summer's not done yet, but I'm not sure how many of you guys are making the transition and starting to set up your fall planner. I am, at least I thought I was, because I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek. I started setting her up because I'm very into Halloween and like the whole fall vibe. I went, and then of course, you know, when I go and I find things like this, I get really inspired by the pardon the sun. I get really inspired by all the pretty colors. I showed this in my Insta stories, but I'm gonna show you again. And then I see things like that and I just want to come home and I get it, and then I come home and I try to set my planner, and so far this is what I wanted to do. Okay, at first I wanted my planner to be all black. I want a black background for everything that I make. So I cut up the papers and I chose cute things, and I was gonna start, of course I cut out the black. See, I started setting it up, but I cut out the paper. I started giving it a certain look. I went and I did a washi tape test. I put some cuteness all around. I started making a folder. And then I went and I made a pen test. Right here. I'm sure if you see my stories, you already know how I did this. So this got me really excited. I was like, oh my god, it's not transferring anymore. It's just really cute. And then I did this test. Then I started adding things to my paper. I was like, oh my god. And I know I've played with a blackout planner before, but I was just not into it. But then this is what did it for me, and I was like, wait a minute. So I started playing, and then I stopped, and as pretty as this was going, I stopped and I said, nope. So I went online and I did a thing, and the thing just arrived today. And I cannot wait to come home and show you guys. Wait until I show you this cuteness. Roll that video, girl. Okay, so it took a while for this to get here, but what this is my very own blackout planner. This was what my plan was. I wanted to play with black paper and see how much I loved being in a black paper planner, but in all honesty, this is cardstock. It's cardstock paper, and I just setting this much from my planner convinced me that I wanted to do a blackout planner now. Okay, it took about a week to get here, but I'm not sure because I think they're based in Florida. I don't know, I could be wrong, but it took a week to get here. And oh my god, I'm so, whoa, I'm so excited. Okay, so this here, it's not even plastic. I don't know if you can see. This is a material. I feel that if I could dirty this up really quickly. Oh. Now I need me a cover. Alright, so okay, so let's see what's up together. This pretty book is $40, and I know it is 160 GSM ultra thick black paper. It says no ghosting or bleeding, perfect for gel pens or an even paint. Okay, now how cute is this? I mean, I picked, they had like different designs here. See, I already see it's gonna get, oh no, it's gonna get super dirty, and it's a cover. All right, so they had different designs. I think they have different foil, but I wanted a planner, a blackout planner ASAP, so I just took whatever they had on the website, and here she is. So I feel that I need to be very delicate with this. Oh my goodness, but okay. Oh, this is gonna get dirty really quickly. All right, so it has a pin loop, and this elastic that holds it together. Actually, you know what? Let me bring my other journal and let's compare it. Hold on. Okay, here, two of my other journals, different companies. As far as sizing, this looks a little bigger than these. I don't know what you guys think. Okay, they're probably the same size. Okay, so now to the part that I've been waiting for. Ta-da! All right, this already feels, you know what? I want to see the similarities on these papers. All right, pardon the lighting changes, but because it's black, it's kind of changing my camera. My camera is like trying to see what it does. Okay, this here is cardstock paper, and this is not, but I have to say it kind of feels very similar, almost the same actually. I have to say it's very cardstockish. Okay, now what this has that my paper doesn't have is this nice grid. It's like blue grid. You see that? I think that's a really nice touch. All right, so it kind of feels similar, to be honest. This one is a little, let's see, and it feels very similar. I have to say. The pages are not numbered. Another thing that it doesn't have is an index. Okay, usually at the beginning of your journals, you'll get an index, and it gives you a couple of pages actually, so that you write down, you know, your pages and stuff, and all the pages the pages are here numbered. So this one doesn't have anything. Also, another thing that these have a pocket in the back, so maybe, hold on, let's check. All right, so they're not numbered. I'm just giving it a quick, oh, hold on, I think I saw, yes, oh, not one, but two bookmarks. This is pretty. You know, I like these a lot. They have two different ones. This one also has two, but these are two different colors. It does have an, okay, so it does have a pocket in the back. All right, this is very hard quality. It feels like very strong, this pocket. All right, well, I wanted a black notebook, and I got a black notebook. That's all it is. I feel that it has, I need to get a cover, because pretty soon this is gonna be pretty dirty. I cannot wait to start setting it up, to be honest. The only thing is, I feel that if I'm going to film in here, I need to play with the lighting a lot. Cause see what that does with the black? Wow, it's like it's almost as if my camera is fighting within itself too, and then it goes back to the same color, you see? But anyways, I'll figure that one out. Okay, that's all it is. Now, I haven't played with it. Okay, this is gonna bug me. I need a cover ASAP. So, yeah, it's definitely gonna get dirty. Oh no, like really dirty, really quickly. All right, guys, well, I'm really excited. I feel that perhaps I should have given this a chance because it's super cute and I really started, but I see similarities with the paper. It feels a little similar to me. Again, this is my opinion. It might not, you know, Actually, you know what? I am curious to know. Hold on one second. Okay, this is the paper that I used and I cut up when I made these here. Now this one is 100. It's 176, and this is 160 GSM. So I'm inclined to believe that this is heavier than this paper. It might be, but to the touch, to me, it feels a little similar. All right, I like that it's all in one place. I like that. I feel bad that I haven't finished this journal. You know, I've been jumping from planner to planner for a while now, and I need to, you know, find my groove again. I don't know what it is. I mean, I always find myself loving like everything in one place, kind of, although the only thing that I have not put in one place is my financial planner. My financial planner tends to be like a separate planner from everything else, but other than that, like I keep all of mine. I mean, I did pretty good until maybe May. I have been setting up the monthly only on this, and I will like very quickly just go ahead. I mean, this compared to this, it's like, poor journal hasn't gotten lots of love, but I do love my journals, and I don't know, I'm very excited to play around with this and see, you know, what happens. So I will be making videos, and I don't know if any one of you guys are using a blackout planner. Have you tried doing a blackout setup in your planners ever? I mean, this is pretty cute and I kind of love it, you know. I just love paper. I love me some pretty paper, and this is pretty pretty get it? But you know, I'm glad I did this, and as a matter of fact, I think I should do a washi board. That's what I think I'm gonna do next. But here you are. I mean, let's see. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm not sure if I'm even gonna stay long in here. I have no idea what's gonna happen from here on out. But all I know is that I am very, I want to try new things, and I want to see, you know, how this is gonna turn out to be. I'm not saying go right ahead and spend $40 on a pretty notebook just because you want to try it out. Perhaps, you know, you could just do what I did and buy a paper pack and set up your own notebook if you want to, you know, and see how that works out. And if it works out for you, fine, and not just jump the gun right away. The fall is coming, and there's so many pretty things in the horizons. I can't wait to set this baby up and see how it all works out. Well, I need to get a cover ASAP. This is gonna bug me a lot. Look. I don't think the camera is showing it. Can you? Maybe a little bit. Can you see that? Yeah, that's gonna bug me. So I feel that I need to get it a cover. I don't know. I'm just gonna dive in and see how it works, and I hope it works out. All right, I will put pictures in my Instagram account. You can leave me your messages in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.